Hey there, Wi-Fi Money Vault fam! Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the secrets of earning online and help you navigate the digital landscape for financial success. Now let's talk about something crucial. Side hustles for students in 2024. Remember the lie we were all fed? Go to university, get a high-paying job. Well, times have changed, and relying solely on a degree just doesn't cut it anymore. That's why today, we're diving into 7 side hustles students can start this year. And hey, these aren't just for students. Anyone can jump on these opportunities. But hold up, this isn't your typical listicle. I'm dishing out real-life examples, ratings, and why each hustle matters in today's digital age. So let's get started. Number 1. Investing. Let's dive deeper into the world of investing, a side hustle that's not only lucrative, but also accessible to anyone with a bit of spare cash and a smartphone. Picture this. You're scrolling through your phone, and instead of checking out the latest meme, you're making moves to secure your financial future. It's like playing a game where the prize is financial freedom. And the best part? You don't need a fancy finance degree to get started. Nope, just a willingness to learn and a sprinkle of patience. Now here's the juicy bit. Dollar cost averaging and index funds. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, it's simpler than brewing your morning coffee. Dollar cost averaging is like a slow and steady racehorse. It keeps chugging along, smoothing out the bumps in the market road. And index funds? Well, they're like the Swiss Army knife of investing, offering diversification and growth without all the headache of picking individual stocks. Plus, with apps like Trading 212, you can set up your investments to run on autopilot, leaving you free to focus on crushing your side hustle game. So what are you waiting for? Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow while you hustle your way to success. Number 2. Discord building. Let me paint you a picture. Chris Peters, a 19-year-old student raking in $15,000 every single month from building and managing Discord servers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for Chris, it's a reality. He's tapped into Discord's potential goldmine, leveraging its versatility to cater to a wide range of communities and businesses. Whether it's gaming clans looking for a home base or small businesses seeking a communication hub, Discord has something for everyone. And Chris, he's the master of it all, offering value-packed server setups that keep clients coming back for more. But here's the kicker. Discord isn't just for gamers anymore. It's a thriving ecosystem where businesses, creators, and communities converge. According to Discord's own data, the platform boasts over 150 million active users, with a significant portion being students just like you. Let's say you're part of a study group, seamlessly collaborating on projects and sharing resources through Discord. Now imagine monetizing that experience by offering your server setup services to other student groups or small businesses. It's like turning your study sessions into a money-making machine. Sure, mastering Discord may take a bit of time, but the payoff is oh so sweet. Just ask Chris Peters. He started off offering his services for free, honing his skills while helping others. Fast forward to today, and he's a sought-after Discord building guru, commanding top dollar for his expertise. So, if you're willing to put in the effort, Discord building could be your ticket to financial freedom, all while doing something you enjoy. Number 3. Online coaching. Let me introduce you to Jack Jefferson, a regular guy who decided to ditch his mundane 9-to-5 job in pursuit of something more fulfilling: online fitness coaching. Now, he's pulling in a cool $7,000 every single month, all from the comfort of his own home. How did he do it? Well, Jack's secret sauce is personalization. He doesn't just dish out generic fitness plans, he crafts tailored programs that cater to each client's unique needs and goals. And the best part? You can do it too, no matter your expertise. Whether you're a fitness fanatic, a financial wizard, or a culinary genius, there's a market for your skills online. And speaking of markets, did you know that the online coaching industry is booming? According to a report by Grandview Research, the global online coaching market is projected to reach a whopping $38 billion by 2027. That's right, billion with a B. And guess who's driving a lot of that growth? You guessed it, students just like you. With the rise of digital nomadism and remote work, more and more young people are turning to online coaching as a way to earn a living while pursuing their passions. So if you're a college student with a knack for photography, instead of waiting tables on the weekends, you're teaching eager beginners the ins and outs of composition and lighting, all from the comfort of your dorm room. So what's the takeaway here? Online coaching isn't just a side hustle, it's a ticket to financial freedom and fulfillment. With low startup costs and the potential for high rewards, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind and live life on their own terms. So, if you've got a skill worth sharing, why not package it up and sell it online? Who knows, you might just be the next Jack Jefferson, earning a comfortable living doing what you love. Hey, quick pause. If you're enjoying these insights, hit that like button and subscribe to Wi-Fi Money Vault for more tips on mastering the digital money game. Don't miss out on unlocking your financial potential in the digital age. Now back to the hustle. Number 4. Faceless short-form content. Meet Daniel Bitton, the teenage sensation who's turning heads and raking in the cash on Snapchat. At just 16 years old, Daniel's pulling in a mind-boggling $500,000 every single month, all without ever revealing his face. How's he doing it? Well, it's all about riding the wave of the attention war raging across social media platforms. With Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all vying for users' eyeballs, creators like Daniel are in high demand. But here's the thing, it's not just about churning out any old content. To stand out in a sea of snaps, you need to offer something fresh and original. And that's where Daniel shines. By tapping into his understanding of human psychology and crafting compelling stories, he's captured the hearts and wallets of millions. But let's get real for a moment. Creating short-form content isn't as easy as it looks. It takes more than just a pretty face or fancy editing skills. It's about understanding what makes people tick, what makes them stop scrolling and pay attention. And that's where the real magic happens. By mastering the art of storytelling and honing your ability to captivate an audience, you too could be on your way to making bank like Daniel. Sure, it might take some time and effort, but hey, nothing worth having ever came easy, right? So here's the bottom line. If you've got a story to tell and a knack for capturing attention, then short-form content creation could be your ticket to fame and fortune. With social media platforms hungry for fresh content and willing to pay top dollar for it, there's never been a better time to jump into the game. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, fire up Snapchat, and start crafting your own path to success. Who knows? You might just be the next Daniel Bitton, cashing in on the attention economy and living your best life. Number 5. AI animation. You could be a young entrepreneur, making a cool $8,000 to $10,000 every month from AI animation. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But in today's digital age, it's a reality. With AI technology on the rise, there's never been a better time to jump on the bandwagon. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a fat bank account to get started. All you need is a passion for creativity and a willingness to learn. But let's talk numbers for a moment. Did you know that the global AI market is projected to reach a staggering $734 billion by 2027? And with industries ranging from entertainment to healthcare embracing AI technology, the opportunities are endless. Take Mercy, for example. By harnessing the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, he's been able to create stunning animations that captivate audiences around the world. And the best part? He did it all without breaking the bank. With low startup costs and a high demand for quality animation, it's no wonder AI animation is quickly becoming one of the hottest side hustles around. So what's the takeaway here? If you've got a creative spark and a thirst for innovation, AI animation could be your ticket to financial freedom. Sure, it might take some dedication to master the tools of the trade, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. With AI technology continuing to evolve at breakneck speed, there's never been a better time to dive in and carve out your own piece of the digital pie. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the future of animation and start turning your dreams into reality today. Number 6. Reselling luxury items. Ever dreamt of turning your passion for fashion into a lucrative side hustle? Meet Ben Gallagher, the entrepreneur behind Luxe Collective, who turned his love for luxury items into a multi-million-dollar business. Ben's story is a testament to the booming market of luxury resale, which saw a staggering $39 billion in transactions in 2023 alone. With more millennials and Gen Zers embracing sustainable fashion and the allure of designer labels, the demand for pre-owned luxury items is at an all-time high. But what does it take to succeed in the world of luxury resale? For Ben, it's all about attention to detail and a keen eye for authenticity. With high-end brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Hermes commanding top dollar in the resale market, spotting fakes and understanding market trends is essential. And while the initial investment may seem daunting, after all, some designer bags can fetch upwards of $30,000. Ben's success proves that with the right knowledge and dedication, anyone can turn a profit. So, whether you're scouring thrift stores for hidden gems or building relationships with high-end clients, luxury resale offers a world of opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs. And with social media platforms like TikTok providing a global stage for showcasing your finds, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of luxury resale and turn your passion into profit. Number 7. Online writing. In today's digital age, content is king, and Adam is cashing in on the demand for quality writing. As an online writer, Adam earns over $10,000 a month crafting engaging content for clients around the world. But here's the twist. Adam isn't penning the next great American novel. He's writing blog posts, social media content, and marketing copy that resonates with audiences online. With businesses and influencers constantly seeking fresh, compelling content to engage their followers, the demand for skilled writers has never been higher. But what sets Adam apart from the competition? According to him, it's all about offering a premium service and delivering results. By focusing on personalized, high-quality content that drives traffic and conversions, Adam has built a loyal client base willing to pay top dollar for his services. And with the rise of remote work and the gig economy, there's no shortage of opportunities for aspiring writers to carve out their own niche and build a successful freelance career. So, whether you're a wordsmith with a flair for storytelling or a marketing maven looking to boost your brand's online presence, online writing offers a world of possibilities. With the right skills, strategy, and determination, you too can join the ranks of successful online writers like Adam and turn your passion for words into a thriving business. There you have it, folks. 7 side hustle students can start in 2024, paving their way to financial freedom. From faceless content creation to AI animation, the opportunities are endless. So which hustle resonates with you? Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep hustling, and watch your bank account grow. And hey, if you want more insider tips, hit that subscribe button and join the Wi-Fi Money Vault community. Until next time, happy hustling!